My take on the Cyril Ramaphosa State of the Nation address is that I think he can achieve what he claimed that he can achieve because he is a businessman, and I think he will be able to create jobs from like internships to the mining sector. I think because he knows what he's doing, he can do it. Not in one day, but yes, I think he can do it.
In terms of what's going on with the state of the nation, I don't know what's going to happen for the future and all the promises that have been made, because I don't follow politics that much anymore. I've lost touch with it. I care about what's happening in the country, but I feel like the governments aren't going to make it happen. It's going to be the people who are actually living there that really make change.
Angiboni ukuthi naye upresident Ramaphosa uzokwazi ukuba perfect, because nopresident lophumile uZuma akakwazanga ukwenza konke, khona kwenzile okuhle, khona ukuba kwenzile. Sengizwe nje ukuthi upresident Ramaphosa uzokwehlisa igrant yabantu abadala, eyingane, i-social grant. Abantu abaningi baneyingane nga4 and baphila ngayo le mali. Uthi uzokhipha 500 kumuntu noma enengane ezu4 noma enengane eyodwa. So nje angiyiboni kahle indaba yakhe, kodwa ngazi phela sihlaleni silindile ngoba isikhathi siyaqhubeka. Ngiyabonga.
So about the State of the National address, when Cyril Ramaphosa promised to create job opportunities and paid internship for the graduates. So as South Africans, we just have to wait and see what he has promised. Maybe, I'm sure, hopefully, that he's going to fulfill what he has promised. We just have to wait and make his promise.